Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sami here today. I'll be reviewing the Fimi X8 which just released with the Mi Zone 4K. I will compare the camera performance, the flight control, basically everything. So first thing is about the portability. So as you can see, I can hold Fimi X8 and the remote controller easily with one hand. But check out the Mi Zone 4K. It's actually really difficult to hold it. The weight of Mi Zone 4K is 1.5 kilograms, while for Fimi it's just 500 grams. So for portability, I really like Fimi X8. The second I want to say, it takes just way too much time for Mi 4K to take off. You know, you have to install the gimbal for Mi 4K. You have to download the app. You have to register. But for Fimi X8, because it comes with this embedded gimbal and embedded screen, so just take off just a few minutes, just less than 2 minutes even. So that's really convenient, and I want to praise Fimi for that. Regarding the flying experience, the Fimi X8 is way more limber than the Mi 4K because it's really lightweight, you know. And also, it has so many funny features like following mode, like selfie mode, like headless mode, and that's awesome. But for Mi 4K, because it's heavy, it's not so much fun to play, to be honest. But in regarding the camera performance, I guess Mi Zone 4K just outperforms Fimi X8 too much, because the dynamic range, the quality, it's just way better. But as you know, the Fimi X8, the footage is really stable. It's just as stable as Mi Zone 4K, and that's really astonishing. Oh no way! Hear the noise! Hear the noise! It's really noisy, by the way. It's really noisy, but for Fimi X8, it's really quiet. So I can take some sleek photos, right? Woo! Okay, the last thing is about the battery. Mi Zone 4K is about 5,000 milliamp and the Fimi X8 has 2,000 milliamp. But because the weight of Fimi X8 is much lighter than the Mi Zone 4K, so they are about to have the same flying time, or about 22 or 23 minutes, and that's really good. So to conclude, I fly this Fimi X8 for a couple of days, and I really like it. Why? Because first of all, it takes just a few minutes, really a few minutes to fly, you know. And since it comes with an embedded LCD screen, you don't have to download the app, you don't have to register an account and that kind of shit. And just take off really easily. The second thing is for Fimi X8, because it's so much lighter than this Xiaomi 4K, so it just feels really fun to fly, and it's limbo, and you can basically also DIY some shit on it, like parachute or fireworks on it, and that's really nice. And also the price is much more cheaper than this Mi Zone 4K. I think the only thing for Mi Zone 4K outperforms Fimi X8 is the camera performance. Is the video quality is much better. With regarding the dynamic range or the analysis of the videos, pictures, Mi Zone 4K is just way better. But to my surprise, both cameras, both zones has really stable footage and really stable. I own a Phantom 3 too as well. And the Phantom 3 is 3-axis gimbal, but even Fimi X8 has better or stable footage than the Phantom 3. I think Fimi did a good job on this zones. And I also leave links in the description. If you want to check out, please just go and check out. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and that's the video. That's my view of these two zones. If you like it, just click like it, and see you next time.